Let's take a look at page 105. So with the key of 3 sharps, we're obviously in F sharp minor. I say obviously because we're starting with an F sharp minor chord and we have E sharps sprinkled liberally throughout the piece. So here we've got a 1 chord, still a 1 chord here. These are just passing notes, filling in as the chord sort of reorganizes itself. Right on this beat here, we have C sharp, E sharp, G sharp. That's a 5. And then on the second 8th note, while this voice leaps down the octave, this one steps down to B, giving us a 5-7. This 5-7 chord resolves deceptively to the 6th chord. Everything behaves as it should. Do you see the leading tone goes up, 7th goes down, bass goes up, this voice goes down. Do you remember when we go from 5 to 6 or 5-7 to 6, the 6th chord has a doubled third in it because we need to resolve the leading tone up, and that causes that to happen. Okay, so now we've got B, D, F sharp. So this 6th chord has one note that changes. So instead of D, F sharp, A, we've got B, D, F sharp, which is a 4 chord in first inversion. And this takes us to a cadential 6-4. And the 5 goes to 3, or the 6 goes to 5, the 4 goes to 3. And we do get a passing 7th right here, and then taking us to 1. Still 1. Now here, G sharp, B, B, F sharp. We could call that a 2 chord right on this beat right here. Okay, if you wanted to do that, that would be a 2 half diminished. 6, 5. There's no 5th in that chord. The root, sorry, it's not a 6-5. Very dumb. 2 half diminished 7. It's an odd doubling with the B doubled. So it's probably not such a good idea to think of it as that. But you could make the argument. I'm actually more convinced that the F sharp is just a suspension here. And this is a 7-6 suspension. And this chord is E sharp, G, B. So it's 7 diminished 6 going to 1-6. This is passing note and taking us to 5. This progression right here, 1, 7 diminished 6 to 1-6, is one of the progressions we have in our 3-chord harmonic dictation. This is one of the progressions where the bass line goes 1, 2, 3. The other one is 1, passing 6-4 to 1-6, and it can be minor or major. Okay, so that's what we have. We're in F sharp minor. First cadence is a deceptive cadence. Then we have a full cadence, authentic cadence, root position 5-7 to 1, closing on the tonic, so it's a perfect authentic cadence. And then the third phrase, we stop here on a half cadence, and obviously there's more to come.